Right side electric start demonstration, 1954 Panhead. It's about 50 degrees out here in the garage. Fuel on. Choke. Retard the spark. Set the throttle. Ignition. Crank the bike. Example of a cold start. We'll let the bike warm up. We'll go back and do some warm start demonstration. Okay, warm start demonstration. Retard the spark. Ignition on. Quick and quiet. Retard the spark, turn on the key, push button Panhead.
Say, I can't remember. Russ's starter, I said Russ's starter starts that 54 Panhead better than my original 65 Panhead starter would start it. It was a lot quicker, a lot smoother, quiet. It was amazing.